Have you ever wondered how email magically appears on your phone, computer, and tablet? The secret lies in email protocols like IMAP and POP3 that works behind the scenes. In this video, we'll uncover the key differences between these two protocols so you can choose the best one for your needs. Hi everyone, it's Praveen here. Today, we're diving into the world of email to explore IMAP versus POP3. These protocols may seem complex and technical, but by the end of this short video, you'll have a clear understanding of how they work and which one is right for you. Let's get started. First, let's define what IMAP and POP3 actually are. Both are email protocols used for receiving emails, but they work in different ways. IMAP, which stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, is the newer protocol. This is how IMAP works. Let's say this is your email server, which stores all your emails. When you try to access those emails from your phone, you can view, reply, delete right from your phone, and the same status will be synchronized in all other devices like iPad, computer, etc. Suppose if you are composing a new email on the computer, you can resume the same draft from your phone without any issues. Simply with IMAP, your emails are stored on the email server. You can access and sync your email across multiple devices. Changes made on the device update on all your other devices. You need an active internet connection to interact with emails. IMAP is ideal if you regularly check email on your phone, computer, and tablet. POP3, short for Post Office Protocol 3, is an older, simpler protocol. This is how POP3 works. Let's say your email server has a limited storage that accepts only 100 emails. In that case, you need to use POP3 as it downloads all the received emails to your selected device. Once downloaded, those 100 emails will be deleted automatically from the server. Because of this, you can't access the older emails from other devices. With POP3, new emails are downloaded from the server to one device and deleted from the server. Emails are stored locally on that single device, not kept on the server. You can only access those downloaded emails on one device. You don't need internet to check emails. POP3 works well if you only use one device to check emails and have limited server storage. So in summary, IMAP keeps your email synced across devices via the server, while POP3 downloads emails to one local device. Hopefully, this clears up the differences between IMAP and POP3. Consider your own email habits to decide which protocol meets your needs. If you found this video helpful, show your support by clicking that subscribe button and hitting the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to go the extra mile, consider joining my channel as a member. You will get access to exclusive perks like member badges, custom emojis, and shoutouts. Just click the join button to learn more. Your support helps me keep making free educational content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.